Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a good Cesar salad. Start by washing and drying romaine thoroughly, then tear leaves into bite-sized pieces and chill briefly. Toast cubed bread with olive oil until golden to make croutons. Whisk anchovy, garlic, egg yolk, lemon, Dijon, and olive oil into a smooth dressing and season with salt and cracked pepper. Toss lettuce with dressing, croutons, and shaved parmesan, then serve immediately. I focus on straightforward, fresh ingredients that boost flavor and texture. Use crisp romaine, good parmesan, fresh garlic, and real anchovies for depth. Choose day-old bread for croutons and high-quality olive oil for the dressing. Use lemon for brightness and Dijon for balance, and consider a raw or coddled egg yolk for silkiness. Adjust salt and pepper to taste, finish with cracked black pepper, and always toss just before serving for best crunch. Master simple techniques to lift your salad from good to great. Emulsify dressing by slowly whisking oil into the egg-lemon mixture until glossy and thick. Grate parmesan finely for even coating and shave extra for garnish. Make croutons crunchy by drying bread and baking at high heat briefly, and reheat or sear chicken if adding protein. Always dress and toss just before serving to preserve crunch and bright flavors, and serve immediately for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.